Reckless driving is driving a motor vehicle in a way that either unreasonably interferes with other people's use of public roads or unreasonably endangers other drivers. A few factors that typically characterize a reckless driving offense are multiple traffic violations, causing a danger on the road, and showing a conscious disregard for the safety of others. New York law punishes reckless driving more harshly than other moving violations. This misdemeanor offense carries serious penalties, a real risk of jail time, fines and surcharges, points on your license, and possible license suspension. It's also treated more seriously by judges and prosecutors than many other violations. Defending against a reckless driving charge. Most people charged with reckless driving feel that the officer may have been wrong, and some of them may have a point. The reckless driving offense leaves officers with a lot of discretion to decide what sort of driving they think falls within the offense, and sometimes they're wrong. There are two main defenses against a reckless driving charge. One is to claim that there were no aggravating factors, and that the driver did nothing more than commit a traffic violation that's already listed. Remember, reckless driving is something more than a basic traffic violation. The prosecution might say something like, the defendant purposely sped through the intersection, running a red light, and barely missed several cars. The defense will try to paint a different picture. For example, if this was my case, I might say, my client misjudged his stopping distance and crossed the intersection just as the light turned red. The first version sounds reckless, but my version sounds like it was just a mere traffic violation. A second defense is that the driver didn't endanger anyone else and was driving reasonably under the circumstances. This argument focuses on the letter of the law. You're saying to the court, my driving didn't endanger anyone, didn't interfere with anyone's use of the road, and wasn't unreasonable, so how could I have violated the statute? With the right legal representation, it's possible to convince the court that your conduct didn't amount to reckless driving. If you've been charged with this offense in New York, contact Rosenblum Law for a consultation. Our expert attorneys are skilled at swaying the court and helping drivers avoid the consequences of a reckless driving conviction. And in some cases, we may be able to negotiate a plea bargain to get your reckless driving charge reduced, which would result in less points, less fines, and a reduction in other potential penalties.